If there ever was such a thing as a company that could do almost anything, well, Tenneke Properties is it. These guys know how to completely transform your existing home into something new, or just do it room by room. That's Tenneke Properties. Visit Tenneke.com or phone 931-244-4602.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
We've mainly been cloudy on this Monday. We've seen a little bit of sunshine at times. We've actually seen a few light showers that aren't necessarily picking up on radar. We may see a few more of these this evening, but the main rain holds off until Tuesday, especially afternoon and evening, when showers and thunderstorms move into the area, and a few of these storms could be strong to severe. You know, we've been talking about this for several days now, and we're almost to this. There is a level 3 out of 5 risk of severe weather for all of our viewing area for Tuesday afternoon. Main focus is the afternoon and the evening hours. Here's a general breakdown of the timeline. 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. in our western counties here, back towards Savannah, over toward Waynesboro, up to maybe near Hohenwald or just west of there down to Iuka. Places like from Hohenwald eastward to Columbia to Lewisburg, Pulaski, Lawrenceburg, over to Waynesboro, down through the Shoals, over to Moulton, down to Russellville and Red Bay. We're talking about 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. and then closer to I-65 from east of Lewisburg, east of Pulaski, down through Ardmore, the Athens and Tanner areas, down through Decatur, east of Moulton to Hartselle and Falkville and Priceville from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. This is an elevated threat, not some big nasty tornado outbreak or anything, but it is an elevated threat, and we haven't had one of those in a little bit of a while, so we need you to pay close attention. Take the time tonight while the weather's quiet to go through your safety plan. Make sure you have multiple reliable ways of hearing warnings. Don't be overly alarmed. If you have storm anxiety, we understand that. Try to take a deep, calming breath and focus on being prepared, and we'll be just fine. But elevated threats here for everything. Tornado threat is elevated. Damaging straight line wind threat is elevated. In addition to the potential for hail, 50 to 60, 70 mile per hour straight line winds are possible. Quarter to ping pong ball size hail possible with a few storms, in addition to tornadoes being possible. And it's an uncertain type situation. It's not a big high threat of them, but there could be 1 or 2 strong tornadoes across the area as we head through tomorrow afternoon and the early evening hours. Here's how everything breaks down. A few showers this evening and tonight, not getting out of the mid to upper 60s. As we head into the overnight, breezy south winds, even well away from any storms that may gust 30 to 40 miles per hour by tomorrow. A few showers possible during the morning and midday, and then as we warm into the 70s and probably several degrees warmer than what you see this computer model doing, because it doesn't have as much sunshine as what I think we'll get. And it also has a tendency to underdo temperatures in these type of situations by a few degrees. I think we're well up into the mid 70s. And as that happens, 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow, these strong thunderstorms develop near and off to our west, and then they move across our area during the afternoon and the evening. And that's when we're going to be watching for the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Again, all threat types are on the board, including the potential for a few tornadoes. So there may be some tornado warnings tomorrow afternoon, severe thunderstorm warnings. I expect by midday or so, we will likely have a tornado watch across the area. All the storms are out of here by 8, 9 o'clock or earlier. I think the severe weather threat's over by 7 or 8. Lingering showers through 9 or 10 close to I-65, and maybe even a lingering shower into tomorrow, but cooler air, stable air tomorrow. Highs in the mid to upper 50s tomorrow and Thursday, but a warming trend on the way as we head toward the weekend and early next week. Your forecast for tonight looks like this. We're on the mild side. Temperatures don't drop a whole lot overnight into the 60s, and not really getting out of the mid to upper 60s here overnight. Maybe a shower possible, but no widespread heavy rain. Afternoon and evening for Tuesday is when we're watching for strong to possibly severe thunderstorms. Damaging winds possible. Hail possible with some of the storms. A few tornadoes possible. So we urge you to remain weather alert. Lingering showers possible into Wednesday. Then quiet weather Thursday through the weekend. And solar eclipse coming Monday. But we're starting to see signs that we may have clouds and a few showers around as we head into early next week. We'll focus on that forecast once we get past the storms on Tuesday. There's ultra latest weather forecast for the next 7 days. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.